Link Dreams Xiamen Trading Company Limited is a leading bag supplier from Fujian Province, China. We specially deal with all kinds of waterproof sports bags, bicycle bags, hiking bags, school backpacks, cooler bags, travel bags, etc. At the same time, most of our products are exported to American, European countries, and other international markets. Our cooperation company occupies an area of 6,000 square meters and has a convenient transport system. They have advanced equipment, professional technicians, and superior quality. They have a total production capacity of 600,000 pieces per year, and most of them are exported to Europe, America, South America, etc. They are very familiar with REACH, FSC, and GRS requirements. They use many different kinds of material for our clients. They follow sustainable development and insist on using environmentally friendly materials to produce bags. And they produce bags with rPET material for some customers' orders for environmental protection. In addition, we also provide additional services. 1. Free design drawings, manuals, etc. for customers. 2. Provide photo service for clients, especially for Amazon. 3. Multiple QC inspections to confirm the quality pass rate of the product. 4. Free sample can be provided. With years of experience in developing nice bags based on customers' designs or ideas, we can get the point of what you really want in fluent and short communication.